guys all go to social media. Is it exciting to be a big part of this defense and trying to be a playmaker? Is that what you came in for this year?
Definitely, exactly. I want to be a playmaker. I want to be able to help this defense. My coaches and my teammates are depending on me, and anything I can do to help this team win, I'm going to do it.
One of the things you guys have been emphasizing is, takeaways, making plays with the ball. How would you assess your performance in the first game overall as a defense, and then what you have to do on Saturday?
I mean, on Saturday, overall as a defense, I think we got to make more turnovers. That's how you win games. You got to win the turnover battle. So if we could do that, I think we'll give ourselves a good chance to do what we want to do.
Was it cool to have 5 sacks in the opening game after only 13 last year? As far as the defense is concerned, are you guys kind of looking at that and saying this is where we want to be?
I mean, definitely that's a step in the direction that we want to take. We just got to keep improving. Next game we need to get more than 5, hopefully. So, like I said, that's what we want to do in games, and we just got to keep improving.
I know this game. You guys are supposed to say the right thing. That it's just another game. Just 1 out of 14. We take all 14 the same, but I mean, it's going to be 77,000 people in the stadium, and it's obviously a big game. Is it hard to block out your emotions? Is it hard to just treat it like another game?
I mean, I don't think so. Just because I think coaches do a great job preparing us for this moment. I have to give all the praise to our coaches for just keeping us level-headed, keeping us humble. And like you said, I'm gonna have to agree with all my other teammates. It's another game,
Is there a point where you can use the emotion, in a positive way? Feed off the crowd, feed off the packed house, and all that stuff?
I mean, it's definitely exciting, when you make a big play and you got your fans right behind you. Sure, that's going to play into effect, but that does all games. It comes from you personally. You're going to have excitement.
Casey, can you talk about your career here and how Golden was talking about it, how you've really paid your dues and what you have and what a good job you did? Talk about the whole career from the beginning to the end. I know you started as a corner.
I mean, it's definitely been a tough and up and down journey, here in Miami. But I'm glad, it's my senior year. I got some great teammates with me, great coaches, and a great team overall. So I wouldn't want my senior year to be anywhere with any other players, any other coaches, any other school. So I'm excited.
What do you think you can do in this 1 year?
I mean, like I said, I just want to make a big impact on the defense. I want the defense to be able to depend on me and count on me and do whatever I need to do.
How do you feel about their receivers?
Florida receivers, they got some talented receivers. A lot of them, all of them are talented. All of them go and get the ball fast, speedy, all of them. So we're going to have our work cut out for us.
Just talk about their offense overall and what a challenge it'll be to stop them.
I mean, the offense is good. They got a good offensive coordinator, great quarterback, running back, big old line, receiver. So as a whole, it's going to be tough for us, but we're up for the challenge.